Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and import a photo in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started editing any of our photos. So to begin editing our photos, first we have to import them. So to be able to import a photo, you're going to see right here from the main page at the bottom of the screen, you can go and take a look at your camera roll or your photo gallery. You can tap any of the options right here. So by clicking either photos or camera roll, it's going to go ahead and enable you to select what photos you want to go ahead and edit. It's going to look like this, where you can go ahead and take a look at your camera roll or use demo photos that you want to test out filters for, and then you can go ahead and once you've imported the photo, see it right here in the menu, tap on it. So I'm going to tap any of the images after I have imported it, and it's going to look like this. It's going to open it up in this editor mode and in this edit menu, and from here I can get started selecting what filters I want to use. I have the hairstyle, skin options and so on. This is how to get started importing your photos into FaceApp and start using filters for editing them. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.